Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. Tech Fox. Today I'm going to show you how to trim and cut videos in Filmora. If this helps, please consider to subscribe this channel. So first open Filmora by clicking on the app icon, and after then you have to import a video clip. So I already imported something, so I'm deleting them, and after then you have to click on import button. Okay, so you have to select the video that you wanna edit from here. So I'm choosing this video, and now you have to hold the left button of your mouse and drag it to the timeline. Now to trim the video, move your cursor to either the beginning or the end of the clip on the timeline until the cursor changes to a trimming icon. When you see this icon, click and drag to edge of the clip to the desired start or end point. Now, if you need to cut a specific section, place the playhead. At the point where you want to make the cut, and click the scissors icon. You can also do this by pressing on your keyboard Ctrl+B. So I'm doing this 2 times. And now we can consider this part as unwanted part. So to remove any unwanted section, simply click on it and then choose delete. You can also do it by selecting this and pressing the delete button from your keyboard. And that's it. You have learned how to trim and cut videos in Filmora. If this tutorial helped you, please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Tech Fox and hit that like button for more real-time problem solving videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.